Good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we discuss this interesting question. So our question is product of AB plus C is equal to 2022, and second equation is A plus product of BC is equal to 2023. What is the value of A, B and C in our question? And we find the value of A, B, C in integer form. So let's start. AB plus C, it is equal to 2022, and the second equation is A plus BC is equal to 2023. We call this equation number 1 and it is equation number 2. If we subtract these equations, then we get A plus product of BC, subtract this AB, product of AB plus C. So this is our 2023 minus 2022. This will become A plus BC minus AB and minus C, and the 2023 minus 2022 is equal to 1. So in the next step we arrange this equation. A minus AB plus BC minus C is equal to 1. Why we arrange this equation in this format? Because A involved in all these in these two term and the C involved in these two term. So in this two term we take a common A. So divide A by A, we get a 1 minus divide AB by A, then we get a B. In these two terms, C involved in these two term, so we take it a common. So this will become a minus C divided plus BC by minus C, then we get a minus B, and divide a minus C by minus C, then we get a plus 1 is equal to 1. Now in the next step we rearrange this value, then we get a 1 minus B minus C. We can write this as a 1 minus B is equal to 1. So we can write this as A minus C multiply 1 minus B is equal to 1. In our question, we find the value of A, B and C in integer form. So here we can split this problem into two cases. The first case 1 is A minus C multiply 1 minus B. We can write 1 as an integer form. 1 multiply 1, it's equal to 1. And our second case is A minus C 1 minus B. We can split our 1 into minus 1 multiply minus 1. So first of all we discuss the case number 1. So using this we can write A minus C is equal to 1 and the 1 minus B is equal to 1. And in the next step, if we subtract a 1 on both sides from this equation, then we get a minus B is equal to 1 minus 1, and a 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. And in the next step, if we multiply this equation by minus 1, then we get a B is equal to 0. So this is the value of B. Now in the next step, we use the value of B in equation number 2 and find the value of A. So let's start. Our equation 2 is A plus BC is equal to 2023. So here we substitute the value of B, which is 0. So this will come A plus 0 multiply C is equal to 2023. So 0 multiplied by C is 0. And the right hand side is 2023. So this is the value of A in our question. Now in the next step we find the value of C. So we substitute the value of A and B in equation number 1. In this equation, so the equation 1 is AB plus C is equal to 2022, and the A is 2023 So this is a 2023. The B is 0 plus C is equal to 2022. So this will give us a 0. 0 plus C is just C is equal to 2022. This is the value of C using a case 1. Now look at the case 2. This implies a minus C is equal to minus 1, and the 1 minus B is equal to minus 1. Look at this equation. If we subtract a 1 on both sides, then we get a minus B is equal to minus 1 minus 1. So this will give us a minus 2 minus B. And if we multiply this equation by minus 1, then we get a B is equal to 2. Now we substitute the value of B in equation 1 and after that in equation 2. So our equation 1 is AB plus C is equal to 2022, and the equation 2 is A plus BC is equal to 2023. So we substitute the value of B. So equation 1 will become a 2 times A plus C is equal to 2022, and the equation 2 will become A plus 2 times of C is equal to 2023. So in the next step, if we add these two equations, then we get this will become a 3 times of A plus this will become a 3 times of C. Adding a 2022 plus 2023, then we get a 4045. 3 is involved in this two term, so let's factor out 3. So this will become A plus C is equal to 4045. And in the next step, if we divide this equation by 3, then we get A plus C is equal to 4045 over 3. And notice that 4045 is not divisible by 3. So the sum of A plus C is not an integer. So using a second case, we cannot find the value of A, B, C in integer form. So in our question, the value of A is 2023 and the value of B is 0 and the value of C is 2022. Thank you.